Restoring two-factor authorization. If you have lost access to your mobile phone where the Google Authenticator app is installed and you can't log into the website bit.team, then you need to find the configuration code that you saved. It is the code you scanned when enabling two-factor authorization. Manually add it in the Google Authenticator app. To do this, click plus and select Enter the setting key. Next, fill in the account name and select the key type, by time, in the drop-down box. Click Add and the codes for entering the bit.team platform will appear on the new mobile device. If you can't find the configuration code, then contact the support service by writing your request to the mail support@bit.team. It is important to write an email from the email address that you used when logging in to the site. In the subject of the letter, specify Request for Access Restoration, and in the body of the letter, describe in detail the data regarding your balance, recent transactions, dates and devices from which you entered the site. In addition, if your account is verified, you must immediately provide this data, your phone number and passport. The most detailed information would speed up the processing of your request, but anyway, it will take not less than 5 working days from the date of the request.